Prepositions of place.
The book is on the table. The book is on the table. The keys are under the mat. The keys are under the mat. The clock is above the door. The clock is above the door. The cat is hiding behind the couch. The cat is hiding behind the couch. The chairs are around the table. The chairs are around the table. The picture is on the wall. The picture is on the wall. The shoes are next to the bed. The shoes are next to the bed. The box is in front of the TV. The box is in front of the TV. The wallet is in my bag. The wallet is in my bag. The car is parked in the garage. The car is parked in the garage.
Prepositions of time.
I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. She was born in December. She was born in December. We have a meeting on Monday. We have a meeting on Monday. The shop closes at midnight. The shop closes at midnight. They moved here in 2015. They moved here in 2015. The party is on Friday night. The party is on Friday night. The train leaves at noon. The train leaves at noon. I'll visit you in the afternoon. I'll visit you in the afternoon. She left on her birthday. She left on her birthday. We'll meet in 2 hours. We'll meet in 2 hours.
Prepositions of direction/movement.
He walked to the park. He walked to the park. The bird flew into the room. The bird flew into the room. She jumped onto the table. She jumped onto the table. The train goes through the tunnel. The train goes through the tunnel. He drove towards the city. He drove towards the city. They swam across the river. They swam across the river. The dog ran out of the house. The dog ran out of the house. She climbed over the fence. She climbed over the fence. He went down the stairs. He went down the stairs. The ball rolled under the sofa. The ball rolled under the sofa.
Prepositions of cause/reason.
She is crying because of the movie. She left early due to bad weather. She left early due to bad weather. She succeeded through hard work. She succeeded through hard work. The game was cancelled because of the rain. The game was cancelled because of the rain. I did it for my family. I did it for my family.
Prepositions of comparison/contrast.
This book is different from that one. She is taller than her brother. She is taller than her brother. Unlike her friends, she enjoys studying. Unlike her friends, she enjoys studying. His behavior is similar to hers. His behavior is similar to hers. The results are better than expected. The results are better than expected.
Prepositions of agent/instrument.
The book was written by a famous author. The cake was made with love. The cake was made with love. She was hit by a ball. She was hit by a ball. He fixed the car with a wrench. He fixed the car with a wrench. The letter was sent by post. The letter was sent by post.
Prepositions of condition.
I will go if you come with me. You can play as long as you finish your homework. You can play as long as you finish your homework. She will succeed with enough practice. She will succeed with enough practice. She stayed inside because of the storm. She stayed inside because of the storm. He will do it provided you agree. He will do it provided you agree.
Prepositions of manner/means.
He traveled by car. She solved the problem with ease. She solved the problem with ease. She talked in a loud voice. She talked in a loud voice. He won the game with determination. He won the game with determination. She learned English through practice. She learned English through practice.
Prepositions of place, more examples.
The lamp is on the desk. There is a spider under the chair. There is a spider under the chair. The painting is hung on the wall. The painting is hung on the wall. The kids are playing outside the house. The kids are playing outside the house. There's a garden in front of the building. There's a garden in front of the building. The towels are inside the closet. The towels are inside the closet. The car is parked beside the tree. The car is parked beside the tree. The shoes are kept below the bench. The shoes are kept below the bench. The airplane is flying above the clouds. The airplane is flying above the clouds. The dog is lying at the door. The dog is lying at the door.
Prepositions of time, more examples.
He arrived on New Year's Eve. The concert starts at 8 p.m. The concert starts at 8 p.m. She was born in the 1990s. She was born in the 1990s. I'll finish the report by tomorrow. I'll finish the report by tomorrow. We met during the summer holidays. We met during the summer holidays. He sleeps until noon on Sundays. He sleeps until noon on Sundays. The exam will be held in May. The exam will be held in May. They were married for 10 years. They were married for 10 years. He left the office before lunch. He left the office before lunch. We will return after the meeting. We will return after the meeting.
Prepositions of direction/movement.
He ran towards the finish line. He pushed the chair against the wall. He pushed the chair against the wall. The fish swam along the river. The fish swam along the river. She climbed into the boat. She climbed into the boat. The ball went over the roof. The ball went over the roof. The child crawled underneath the table. The child crawled underneath the table. He walked past the library. He walked past the library. The soldiers marched through the forest. The soldiers marched through the forest. They traveled from the village to the city. They traveled from the village to the city. She stepped onto the platform. She stepped onto the platform.
Prepositions for cause/reason.
He succeeded because of his hard work. The delay was caused by heavy traffic. The delay was caused by heavy traffic. She quit her job due to stress. She quit her job due to stress. They stayed home because of the rain. They stayed home because of the rain. The trip was cancelled for safety reasons. The trip was cancelled for safety reasons.
Prepositions of comparison/contrast.
Her answer is similar to mine. The weather today is different from yesterday. The weather today is different from yesterday. He is better than his competitors. He is better than his competitors. The blue car is more expensive than the red one. The blue car is more expensive than the red one. Unlike others, she prefers tea over coffee. Unlike others, she prefers tea over coffee.
Prepositions of agent/instrument.
The bridge was built by engineers. He was hit with a stick. He was hit with a stick. The cake was baked by my mother. The cake was baked by my mother. She drew the picture with a pencil. She drew the picture with a pencil. The decision was made by the manager. The decision was made by the manager.